Welcome to our channel. If you want to sell NFTs for profit in the digital marketplace, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your returns. Step 1. Research trending NFT collections and market conditions using platforms like OpenSea, Rarity Tools, and NFT Stats to identify profitable opportunities. Step 2. Acquire NFTs strategically by minting promising new projects early, buying undervalued pieces, or creating your own original digital art. Step 3. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet like MetaMask and fund it with enough Ethereum to cover gas fees for listing and selling NFTs. Step 4. Connect your wallet to NFT marketplace platforms such as OpenSea, Rarible, or LooksRare, where you'll list your NFTs for sale. Step 5. List your NFT by uploading it to the marketplace, writing compelling descriptions, adding relevant tags, and setting appropriate pricing based on market research. Step 6. Choose between auction format for potentially higher prices or fixed price listings for quicker sales depending on market demand and urgency. Step 7. Promote your NFT listings on Twitter, Discord, and NFT communities where collectors actively search for new pieces to add to collections. Step 8. Monitor offers and market activity, adjusting prices strategically based on floor prices, trading volume, and collector interest in similar pieces. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.